Hey guys, it's me, Isabella, and today we are going to be making a slime smoothie. I'm going to be mixing all my slimes in, so let's get on with the video. So first you need a bucket to put all your slimes in. I have a lot of slimes here. So the first slime I am doing are these three. I have my peanut butter and jelly slime, and then also my cake batter. So my peanut butter, it's kind of dried out. Oh yeah, it's really dried out. I haven't played with this in a while. Oh gosh. I can see why, because it's so sticky. So, put this in. I was trying to find a clear bowl, but I couldn't find any. Here's my grape jelly. Maybe this will get all that off. Okay. Nope, it's a little bit sticky too. But it's kind of tough. I couldn't fix it because I used contact solution, and nothing helps with that. Next I have my cake batter. This one is dried out too. I haven't opened these in a while, but it's kind of still good, I guess. Just connect these, so. Oh, here comes the hard one. Let me put all these containers down here. I have so many containers for these because you know if you put it in a bag, it's not going to work. Here's my, Nutella one. It's super sticky. It made a disaster in my closet, my slime closet, which I will be showing you in another video probably soon. Let me try getting this out. If this will come out. Ugh. It's really sticky like Nutella actually though. But it's not the right color. I'm kind of mad about that, but I couldn't keep on doing it because I hope this actually kind of turns out good. Because I really like slime, and most of my slimes dry out because I use contact solution. If I could find borax, I would use it, but it does make a mess. Okay, there you go. I don't think I got a big enough bowl because I got a huge slime over here. So next slime I have is, oh crap, this slime, I just made it yesterday. I fixed it actually. It's not that good. It's kind of hard, but it has glitter in it, and it has acrylic paint. My best friend gave me that. Shout out to you, Amanda. But it's kind of hard, but I really like it. It's almost like a strawberry chocolate chip. It doesn't make a lot of sound though. So let's try pushing that down because there's a huge one coming up next. Put this down here. I used too many containers. I have to owe my mom back probably, so sorry, Mom. Oh, I love this one. This is my fluffy slime. And it is kind of sticky, but it has bubbles. Let me move this over. Okay. I love this slime so much. I have a small batch of it and a big batch. I honestly want to start a slime store, like an Etsy slime store, but I can't because I don't know if my slimes are good enough. So if you guys want to comment if my slimes are good, I will make an Etsy shop or one on Instagram. Let's add this in. Oh my gosh. Yep, that just took up half of the bowl. Okay. Might have to be inserting these in sections. We have 3 more left. Okay, so here's the other version of it. It's a smaller batch. It's kind of stretchy, but I like the bigger one better. I added a little more stuff to it. Kind of looks like a cake, if you're baking a cake, almost, and you're pushing it all down. I kind of like that. That actually kind of looks blue in the camera. Ugh. Here's my butter slime. I made it with Model Magic, and this is really stretchy. I'm only taking a little bit of this. Let me push some more in so I can still fill this. I'm not using a lot of this. This is my favorite. This is how much I'm using. Hopefully this mixes in well. And then I think I might just put all this in because I don't like this one anymore. Here. It is this Floam one. All the beads rise to the top. It's really cool. The beads get everywhere though. Crap, sorry. So, let me move this over. This is a really sticky slime though. Ugh. I can see why I don't like it that much. It's really stretchy though, which I like. I think I might want to do tennis, what is it called? It's like a press, and then it makes bubbles. I might do that with the slime smoothie in a minute. But it makes a lot of sound. Okay, so let's add some of this in. This is the last slime. I think I might have overflipped it a little bit, but never can have too much slime, right? Okay, so let's press this down. So here's the slime smoothie. Let's start mixing. Oh crap, wow, this is heavy. Title, 20-pound slime. Oh crap, this is really heavy. It's like working your arms. Okay, let me take this out. Oh gosh, let me put this down here. I just had Starbucks earlier, so my Starbucks cup is still here. Wow. This is actually one of the biggest slime smoothies I have ever done. I have like a small one in my closet, but it wasn't that good. I'm actually kind of happy with this, but I hope it doesn't become an ugly color because I have pretty ugly colors in here. Oh, my hair got stuck. Like, this one is really hard. So now it's making the slime a little bit hard, but I'm glad I actually added some smooth ones out here. So I don't know how to mix this anymore. Like, I need like a roller pin. Oh my gosh, my hair. Okay, I'll be right back. Ugh. Okay, so I kind of spiraled it, and it's like a galaxy almost, but with like a lot of brown. It has foam beads in it, and I think I might do a fork thing in a minute, but if you be quiet, if I'll be quiet here, you'll listen. It's very good. It's a little bit tough though. It does give you an arm workout. Hey, I don't have to work out today. Best thing ever. I'm so glad that I get to do this for my YouTube channel. If it wasn't for my 3 subscribers. I hope we get to at least 10. Because I'm going to be posting more often. But I like this slime so much. So I'll see you in a minute because I'm going to try something with a plastic fork. So see you then. Okay, so I got some stuff to press into the slime, the huge slime. So I got a fork, a marker because it has holes in it, and then also I got these scissors to cut them to see if it makes a stiffy style. So I'm gonna just try dragging it. Try to drag it. It actually makes a cool pattern. I'll show you in a second. So I can do this. It's almost like you're touching it with your fingers, or like if you have long nails and you don't want